To insert a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you need this kind of pin. Now top corner you can see this hole. Press, simple press, just do it simple press, then it will erase like that. Now you have to remove it. Now carefully insert your SIM by following the direction like that. Check the direction properly, this like that, and also insert, then like that. And let's check my SIM is connected with not. Go to setting, connections, SIM management, then you can see my SIM card is added. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.